Hey everyone, Tony here with No Baloney Equipment. Another exceptionally clean, low-hour piece of equipment here. It's a 2015 John Deere 244K wheel loader with only 1,347 hours on the machine. It's been lightly used, very well maintained, and loaded with features like the quick coupler, auxiliary hydraulics, and high-speed travel to get you to and from your job sites or down the road quickly. The cab's comfortable with heat, AC, and a radio. It's ready for any season. Tight machine, reliable, and ready to get onto the job. If you want to learn more or schedule a visit, give us a call or shoot us a text, 603-451-8527. Email sales@nobaloney.com. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.